All right, let's move forward to the focus test. Now, what's critical about the focus test is on your pendant of your laser, whether it's max and min power, or whether or not you're Rowita and you've got to, or Trosen, and you've got to go in and change the selected power, is your max power put at 10 to 12. Real important. Because when you do this test, you don't want to obliterate your targets. It's very similar to when you do a beam alignment. And remember, I got a nice cheat sheet for beam alignment. If you want it, just email me and I'll send you a copy of it. Now, what you're doing is with a piece of wood, and only with a piece of wood, hopefully alder or poplar, focus on your unit. This is for autofocus, but this will work for manual focus. You just have to manually do it. But you're going to go into your machine settings, which is here and here under edit, right? And when you're in there with the laser on, you're going to see this. You're going to see focus distance. Well, let's say it's 6.4. And what you're going to do is you're going to quickly burn a dot. And let's say that dot is this big over the 8 here. And you're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to mark it 8. Then you're going to make the dot 7 and it gets smaller. If you may have to go to 9, it gets smaller. But remember, laser beams come down like hourglasses. They cross and they go in the middle. So if I was to do this, go to my settings here, go boom, boom, and then copy this and bring it up. This is your focus to your material. Okay, we do that right. Okay, now, so what you're going to do is, like say, you're going to do that, and when you're in here, you're going to put in a new setting. Let's say it's 7.4, and then you're going to click right, and then you're going to refocus on slightly beside it, travel your carriage, and then burn another dot. Smallest dot wins. This is extremely important to do this after you do a beam alignment and installation. This is something all my technicians do when they install for you, but they show you how to do it, because if you burn up a lens because you forgot to clean it and you get another lens, then it's probably going to be a slightly different focal length. You're probably not going to have to change it more than a millimeter. This is why it's very important when you buy a new unit to buy one extra lens, because it will probably be from the same lot. All right, thank you.